Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by picking where you will send the emoji and why. Different apps handle characters differently. Once chosen, open a plain text field so the symbols stay exact. Next, pick whether you want a quick emoticon or a larger keyboard art piece. That decision guides spacing and characters. Make sure to enable monospace if you plan multi-line designs. This keeps alignment predictable. Start with simple faces using standard keys as your first actionable step. You now construct the body of the emoji. Begin with the core characters like colon, semicolon, parentheses, slashes, and asterisk to form eyes, mouths, and accents. These are the building blocks. Once done, use spaces and tabs or half-width characters to fine-tune horizontal spacing and rely on monospace to keep columns steady. Make sure to test on the actual platform because rendering differs. Tweak line breaks and character choice until the shape reads clearly. Finish by refining expression details. Small changes like swapping a period for a tilde or caret alter tones significantly. Once satisfied, save your creation in a note or clipboard manager so you can paste it quickly later. If you encounter misalignment after posting, first test a monospace font, then replace regular spaces with non-breaking spaces or use simple characters that render consistently. If problems persist, simplify the design. Less complex.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.